Hi, I'm Chi. I am back after a long break and I hope you guys are well. Today I will be sharing more about Aplaybox because I realized a lot of you are new to this website and would like to learn more about how to navigate and search for MMD resources. Before I start, I just want to say thank you to all who have subscribed and commented on my videos. I really appreciate your support. So the focus of this video is to demonstrate how I usually source for models and stages on Aplaybox. Particularly Genshin Impact models because I don't use others except TOT. So okay, let's dive right into the website. So on the top of the web page, you can start searching for models, motions, articles. So you can click on any of these buttons if you are just going to browse and look for the respective items, and if you have a lot of time on your hands you can explore each of these categories. But for me, I don't have much time, so I usually search for specific items and stages using the search bar. Okay, so usually I will just type in Chinese the specific model or item I need. So let's say, for instance, I am looking for a stage that is like in Genshin Impact. So recently there is that 5 Kasen Plaza. So if I type 5 Kasen Plaza in English, nothing will appear. Okay, there's nothing in the search result. So what I do, I will go to usually I will go to another web page called the Genshin Impact Wiki, which is the fandom page. So this is the page I will come to, and then I'll search on top this magnifying glass. So I type 5 Kasen. Okay, so they don't have 5 Kasen Plaza. I just go to 5 Kasen Summary. Okay, then I scroll down to the other languages, and then you can see something like 5 Kasen. Okay, and you copy. So I copy over 5 Kasen. It's just 3 words. If you're not sure, you can just throw it into Google Translate. Okay, and then search. Depending on your luck, you may or may not find the model or stage. So as you can see here, there are 2 in the search results: the stage itself, and I think this is the screen only, or is it just an image? So but it's under model, so it should be a PMX model for MMD. And then if you go to motions or the articles, you will not find anything. Okay, so it really depends on your luck whether there are any creators who have uploaded. Okay, so for some models and motions, you need to be a certain level before you can download. So in order to check what level you are, you can click on the top right here just to go to your profile, and then you'll see your level here. And in order to get to a certain level, you can see the explanation in this link. So this list explains what you need to do on a regular basis to raise your level. Okay, so for 1.1 it just says that you need to log in every day. Number 2, you need to contribute some model or article or motion. The easiest way to do this would be to contribute articles. I will explain more in a bit. Let me go to 3 and 4 and the rest first. So 1.3, basically you need to browse creators' content every day, and it's only counted once. Okay, so every day you check out one content, you get 5 points. They don't double count like when you go to different content or different creators content. They just count once, so you need to do it every day. Okay, 1.4, you need to donate the virtual currency. Also same thing, once a day. So you go to say the listing that you want and you have to donate. So it's this button, this one. 1.5 is to bind to your mailbox, or rather connect to your inbox, which can be found on the top right here under the last option. You can view a lot of messages there when people are writing to you about your uploads, or maybe to inform you about their uploads. Okay, so that is 1.5, and 1.6 is to verify your identity. Okay, and then the second part is just an explanation of how much experience you need to attain to reach each level. Okay, so let's jump back to 1.2, how you can contribute your own models to the community. So click on create on the top right here, and it will take you to this page where you can upload either a model, a motion, or an article. Okay, so the easiest I think would be an article, because all you need to do is write, okay, and copy and paste some text. Okay, there are not many advanced settings on this one. Whereas the motions and models, you need to first you need to have a title. You need to describe what your model is, and this is like I think it's like a hashtag. Okay, and then you need to upload a cover photo, and okay, so this is where you upload the file itself. So you need to upload the file as a zip folder, okay, or RAR. So once you uploaded this, it will appear here as a preview in the plugin, and then you can make some adjustments to the coordinates and stuff. Okay, and last but not least, if you want to do advanced settings, you expand the last button here called 高级设置. Okay, you can put your Bilibili ID if you have one. Okay, so when you let's say you have a video on Bilibili and you want to showcase the video as alongside this plugin that will appear on the upload page, you can key in the ID here. So if you have the video, there's the URL, right? At the end you have a slash BV something something something, so you just copy that code, the ID here. Okay, then it will embed alongside the plugin. These are the download rules you can set, whether you require someone to follow you whether you require someone, you know, to like and save your creation, you know, this is where you can set which level user you want to restrict your download to. So like if you click here, it'll be level 2, level 3, yeah, or no limit, so anyone can download. So this is the distribution rules, okay? So you can toggle whether you allow them to use it for commercial purposes, redistribution, modification to the motion and models, and then the credits and stuff. So you can toggle it here, okay? When you're done, press upload here. And if you follow any of the creators, you can see updates from this button on the top right, just next to the create button. Okay, so if you have not created an account to download MMD resources on Aplaybox, you can always watch my previous video on how to create an account. For those of you who are unable to create Aplaybox and you want to download Genshin models, you can do so at Bilibili. So go to Bilibili page, type in Genshin in Chinese, okay, search, and then you will arrive at this results, right? Every version update, there will be this activity where they encourage uploaders to submit their videos and stuff like that. So you can click on this. It will take you to the page where you can scroll down and find the latest models from the game. Okay, you need to scroll down quite a bit, yeah, to here. So once you see this word model download, you can click here and straight away the download will begin. Okay, so you have the version characters for download here. Okay, and as much as I like to help those of you who cannot create an account to download models and motions on Aplaybox, I am unable to do so because my computer is overloaded at the moment and all these files take up a lot of space. So I hope you guys can understand. So that's it for this video, and I hope you found it useful in some way. And if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Sorry I sound so tired because I'm really exhausted after a long week working at Boo Boo Pharmacy. I will be creating more of such videos in the future because I hope to inspire more of you to really take charge and create your own MMDs. I will still create MMDs when I get the inspiration, but I will be uploading them on Bilibili, not on YouTube. Okay, so if you are interested, you can check out my Bilibili channel. The link is in my profile. Alright, so until next time, I hope to see you guys again. Bye.